Transform your backyard into a fun and challenging obstacle course for your dog with just a few simple items. Start with something as basic as a hula hoop for jumping through and a few cons for weaving. Gradually introduce more complex obstacles like tunnels or a balance beam to keep things exciting. Use treats and positive reinforcement to encourage your dog to navigate each challenge, building their physical skills and boosting their confidence along the way. Remember, patience and consistency are key. As your dog improves, increase the difficulty to keep them engaged and mentally stimulated. Want more tips on how to train your dog effectively? Sign up for our free workshop, where we dive into creative training methods that can transform your pet's skills and behavior.